Hi guys, my name is Renu Mahajan and I welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to make a goat curry or a mutton curry, and it's a delicious recipe. Very simple to follow, very easy steps that you have to follow, and the result is just delicious, flavorful and full of aroma. The meat simmered in the spicy sauce turns out delicious after 15 or 20 minutes of simmering in that sauce. So you will see the result. Let's go into the kitchen and check it out.
So here we are, friends. These are the ingredients that you will need to make your mutton curry. You will need a couple of tablespoons of oil. You can take any of the vegetable oils. You will need a couple of tablespoons of onion garlic paste. You will need diced onions, 1 cup of diced onions, and also 1 cup of tomato puree. I have taken red chilies, just a spoonful, and turmeric 1 teaspoon as well, and the salt to taste. Also, after the curry is done, you need 1 teaspoon of allspice and 1 teaspoon of coriander. You will need a couple of tablespoons of chopped coriander as well, or cilantro, and that's all you need to make the mutton curry. And I have also washed my goat meat. I have 2 pounds of goat meat that I have washed and dried. And after this, you need some spices. These are the dried spices that you will need to start with. These are going to make it so full of aroma. I have cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. I have aniseed, a little bit, 2 sticks of cinnamon sticks. I have some cloves. I have some black cardamom and also a couple of bay leaves. And these I'm going to just dry roast in the pan. In a couple of minutes, you can see the nice flavor emanating from these spices. These are the spices that are going to make the meat so flavorful. So now we have to add some oil and give it a little stir. 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we are adding some onions. And the onions, I have to just stir them until they're translucent. Garlic and ginger paste I'm adding to the onions. Give it a little stir, and then we are going to add the turmeric and after the turmeric, we are going to add the chili powder, and now the salt, and just stir it a little bit, adding the tomato puree that we had. Now this we are going to stir until the oil leaves the pan on the sides. Looks good. Couple minutes more and it looks pretty good. Yeah, adding our meat. Give it a little stir for 5 minutes and we are ready to add some water. I have added 2 cups of water. And now we have to cover the meat. I'll cook it at high. And then I'm going to turn the heat to medium and let it simmer in there. It's 15 minutes later and let's see. It looks pretty good. The meat is cooked I am adding coriander powder and the allspices. Just stirring it a bit and it will be ready. There you see, guys, your meat is ready and ready to be served. Just plate it and serve it hot with roti or rice or naan. There we go. Wasn't it a simple recipe? Delicious. It is so tender, very flavorful. Look at that. A little bit of cilantro does the trick. So fresh.
Yeah, so wasn't it easy to make? So easy, no complications, just simple and easy steps and very simple spices that you have to use. So why don't you try it for your family, make it a celebration for everyone, and let me know how you, in the comments, how you like it. And just follow me and subscribe me if you like my recipe. And I'll see you next time with another wonderful recipe. Thank you for watching, guys.